In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a credit card from Shopify. It's a straightforward process that ensures your payment method details remain current and relevant. Keeping your financial information up to date is crucial for managing your online store effectively, so let's navigate this process together. First, let's start by logging into your Shopify account. Use your preferred web browser, access the Shopify website, and enter your login credentials. Remember to use a secure password that you update regularly, helping to protect your store and customer data from unauthorized access. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Shopify admin dashboard, a hub for all your store management tasks. It might feel a bit overwhelming if you're new here, but don't worry, as with time, it all becomes rather intuitive. Next, you'll need to look towards the left side of your screen, which houses the administrative menu. Advance by selecting Settings, and this will direct you to the backbone of your store, where all primary configurations and adjustments take place. Here, within Settings, you will find numerous options that govern various aspects of your store. Since our focus today is on payment methods, we'll head directly to Billing. Once inside the Billing section, everything regarding your financial transactions and payment details is available at a glance. Locate the Payment Methods section because that's where all linked payment details, including credit cards, are stored. It's important to periodically review these details, ensuring all current information is correct, and any obsolete data is removed to avoid billing issues. Now, in the Payment Methods area, you will see a list of all the credit cards and other payment methods tied to your Shopify account. Scroll to find the specific credit card you wish to delete. Upon finding the card, directing your gaze slightly to the right will reveal a trash bin icon or an option that says Remove. This icon is crucial for the removal process. Click that Remove icon, and a pop-up confirmation will likely appear. It's another layer of security by Shopify to prevent accidental deletions. Read through the message carefully to confirm that you're removing the correct credit card. Upon confirmation, just click Remove once more to finalize the deletion. As a best practice after making such changes, review all other billing information to ensure everything else remains intact and up to date. Making sure that your billing is correctly set up without the credit card previously used helps to keep your store's payments both smooth and accurate. By following these steps, your Shopify payment information will now be up to date, aligned with your current financial arrangements. Should the need arise to add a new payment method, remember to simply navigate back to the Payment Methods section and add your updated credit card details. This proactive approach not only keeps you organized but also secures the financial transactions essential for running a successful enterprise.